Yes, Sen.Osotsi.
Mr. Speaker, I want to agree with the position taken by the colleagues who have spoken before me, and to say that in this country we have three arms of government. We have judiciary, we have legislature, and we have the executive. And the doctrine of separation of powers is a very, very important doctrine in this country, so that the three arms of government operate independently, but in the process collaborate. Mr. Speaker, we are setting a wrong precedent as a parliament by accepting to be directed by the courts on how we conduct our business in this chamber. Mr. Speaker, soon our committees are going to be injected, our reports are going to be injected. Even removing a member from a committee or de-whipping a member is going to be injected. So basically, we are going to be rendered powerless, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the issue that Senator Boni Khalwale has raised, that who was given the orders. I remember in the 11th Parliament, Mr. Speaker, when Honorable Opio and I was suspended from the House. The orders were very specific to the Speaker who had made the decision. It was not to the House, it was to the Speaker. And that is why the orders were effected. But in this particular case, a decision has been made by the entire House. A report has been passed and adopted by the House. And then some judge somewhere decides to inject this House. Mr. Speaker, I think it is important for a proper direction to be given. And in any case, Mr. Speaker, I think the tradition is that such a decision has to pass through the Senate Business Committee to make a decision, and then that decision is communicated to the House. We are setting ourselves on a wrong path. And Mr. Speaker, in this country where it is easy to move to a judge somewhere and get orders, why would the orders not be gotten here in Nairobi? They are being canvassed in Machakos. Mr. Speaker, it is important that the integrity, the power, the supremacy of Parliament must be protected from judiciary. And Mr. Speaker, I invite you to retire and make a sound decision that will guide this House and any other parliamentary jurisdiction for the purpose of protecting the legislature in this country. The issue of punishment of members, Mr. Speaker, it is not unique to this country. Even in other developed democracies like UK and US, decisions of this nature have been made. But we've never had a member going to court and getting injunction and just walking in as if nothing was done by the other members. It is disrespectful, it is intrusion into the powers of Parliament, and Mr. Speaker, we request that a proper decision, a proper communication be made on this matter so that we protect the integrity of Parliament.
Well, Senator Cheptumo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.